How to connect n8n with Outlook. So to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Outlook or into your n8n workflow. Click on this plus icon, click onto the search, and search right here for Outlook. Here's our Microsoft Outlook. Proceed to click on this, and then you can find right here all of the actions that you can actually use. So on my case, I'll choose this get a calendar. From in there, click on this credential, click on create new, and you can see this. You can also enable using the shared mailbox, and user principal name will be asked. Once you're done, click on connect my account, and then this will open right here this window that will prompt you to sign in into your Microsoft account. Once you have successfully signed in, you can head over and then just use it as usual like this. Then just modify this in order to fit your workflow. Once you're done, you can head over and use it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.